People, please listen. We just walked up to that casket. That's a baby in there. You know, we know these kids in a different fashion than other people know them. We know them in the fashion of watching them go to school, man. They speak to us. Good morning, Unc. How you doing? You good? That little girl in there, man. That little girl is 14 years old. We are losing our babies at a rapid rate, and if people can't understand that or see that, it's crazy. We had 6 police cars out here for this last funeral. It's not one out here. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, people already know, man, that the sympathetic view always can be applied when it comes down to what's rational. And what's rational is that we lost one of our seeds, man. One of ours. You know, we killing our own kind. You know, I thought about this the other day. I thought about this. Like, when you look at the situation, like, when the top shooting happened, man, 514. Dudes heard the gunshot. Some dudes put guns on each other because they thought dudes were shooting that gun. You know what I'm saying? When they finally had the guns on each other, they realized, wait a minute, those shots coming from somewhere else. You so used to killing yourselves, you couldn't even rationalize somebody else doing it when it's been they plan on from the beginning. That's the sad part about it. And look what's happening to our children. Please wake up, man, and please get involved in our children's lives, man. This is what we need. We losing our babies, man. We done been here. This is our 3rd time here this month. Our 3rd time here this month for 3 children under the age of 17. Y'all need to stop, man. Please, man. So it's up to us to get involved. And if you ain't trying to get involved and you complaining, you just part of the damn problem. You're not helping. All you doing is aiding people to actually kill our children. And that's a sad part. Good. What's up, Rob? How you doing, brother? Man, cold game, man. So please, man, do something. Come out here and get involved, man. You don't like peacemakers, you don't like this, you don't like that, then start your damn own. Do something. I don't care what you do, but try to save our kids, man. You know, and all people that's in the way, move out the way. Let us get involved, man. Stop being obstacles, man, for growth and development. Stop being obstacles, man, for us to do something for these seeds, man. That's a 14-year-old girl in there, and I'm going to say that for the rest of the week. Don't even ask me how I'm doing, because the response you're going to get is a 14-girl line in there. Ask me how I'm doing tomorrow, not today. Please have a blessed day. Peace.
All right. হারায় প্রাণের ভিতর অগোচরে। গানে গানে নিয়েছিলে চুরি করে অগোচরে। সময় যে তার হলো গত, নিশেষের তারার মতো হলো গত। শেষ করে দাও শিউলি ফুলে মরুন সাথে আমার রাত পোহালো। শারদ প্রায়